Hey guys, it's Tessa, how you doing? So in this video I'm going to be doing a gel nail tutorial, DIY style, how to do your gel nails at home, really quick and easy and great results. So before applying the nail tips, just make sure you've prepped your nails, clean them with alcohol and remove the shine with a buff block or a light file. And we're going to grab our nail tips. I'm using a shimmery pearl coloured nail tips this time. And I'm just going to measure up each of the size of the nail tips to my fingers and see which ones fit best. I'm just going to kind of like set them out in size order so I know which one's which. So when applying the nail tips to your nails, I like to use the smallest amount of nail glue in the well area, so the end that the nail tip goes on your nail, and then apply at a slight angle onto the nail just to avoid any air bubbles, and hold in place for about 3 to 5 seconds depending on the glue that you are using. And I'm going to repeat this on all of my nails until all of the nail tips have been applied. So I just want to mention, if I sound a little bit weird in this voiceover, I'm just getting the hang of getting back into making voiceovers, so I just want to have a more laid back approach to my videos where I am really down to earth. So yeah, so this is why I'm going for the voiceover for this one. Right, so once all the nail tips have been applied, I'm just going to grab my nail clippers and I'm going to clip each side of the nail tips to create a pointed nail shape, and then remove the excess nail tip by just simply pulling off, or it just comes off on its own. I find I can do a lot more with pointed shaped nails than square nails. For some reason square nails really seem to catch more on things, and yeah, I just find it a lot easier with pointed nails. After filming this tutorial though, I actually did file down the nails a little bit because I did find them a little bit too long but that's the great thing about doing your own nails, you can always change them if you're not happy with them. So after finishing clipping the nail tips to your desired length, now I've only just got to the second hand here, alright, and then we're going to, what was that, alright, I'm so gangster. So once we finish doing the tips, we're going to file them into our perfect shape and then buff them so they are nice and smooth and there isn't any ridges or anything, so when we apply the nail gel it's going to be nice and smooth. You can see I've done one hand already. I've filed into my desired shape. Now I'm just going to repeat this on the other hand, making it nice and smooth and pointed and buffing down any of the seams and edges, just so we've got everything prepared in order for the application of the nail gel. Awesome! Right, so when you've finished buffing and filing the nails, you are ready for the nail gel. You just want to clean your nails off with some more alcohol, clean your nail plate and the nail tips, removing all the dust. So I'm using Madame Glam Soak Off Gel Nail Builder, and I love this nail gel. It's so easy to build and sculpt nails with this. It's like really kind of thick but a nice smooth consistency as well. It makes doing manicures a lot quicker, so you can build up the thickness of your nail without having to use nail forms, and you can literally just put this straight over the top of your nails and nail tips. You can also use this nail gel for infills as well, so when your nails grow out you can just put another coat of the gel builder and then buff it completely and you've got like your infills done already. So I love doing my nails like this, it's so easy and quick. and you can also get the gel builder in different shades and different colours. So yeah. So once I've finished applying the gel builder, I'm going to apply 2 coats of this gel, and after each coat you want to cure it under the UV light for 30 seconds. And voila! Just like that, you have a full set of gel nails. How awesome is that? So now you've finished building the thickness of your nails up, you're ready to buff again. So it's all in the buffing and filing, making sure that your nail is nice and smooth, there's no ridges or any bumps and lumps in the gel. So I'm just going over with my white sanding block. I purchased my nail files off eBay. You can buy like packs of 50 of them for like $5. So yeah, it's really good. And I'm just going to keep buffing my nails until I'm happy with the thickness and the smoothness of them. And then we're ready to apply our glitter gel varnish. Okay, so here you can see I've applied 1 coat of the glitter gel on one of my hands. The colour of this nail gel is called Cosmic Sparkle, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It has this really nice iridescent shine to it. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of the glitter gel to my nails, and then we'll be ready for the gel top coat. Also guys, I completely forgot to mention the colour of the gel nail builder that I'm using is in light beige. It just gives a really nice natural looking nail, especially if you're sculpting it or if you're going to be using clear nail tips. So I like using light beige. So this is after the first coat of the glitter gel, and I really love how shiny it is. You could even get away with putting 3 coats of the glitter gel varnish on just to give it even more of a shimmer. One last final coat, and I'm going to cure under the UV light for 30 seconds. Look at this gorgeous shine, and that's also without the top coat. So the final step now is to apply a gel top coat to give it a really nice shine. So I applied it to both of my nails this time instead of doing one at a time, so it's much quicker, especially if it's all exactly the same. So top coat applied to both hands, and then remove any of the tacky layer that the gel can produce with the alcohol. Just wipe your nails down. It's just so easy, it's so quick. I mean, look at it. Bam! Got a full set of nails already. Damn right! Oh, I don't know what I'm up to, but I'm just like really excited the fact that it's done. It's done, and we did a voiceover for this video as well. Oh yeah, and I'm finishing off my nails with some cuticle oil. Just gonna give it a nice little TLC. The cuticle oil that I'm using is OPI. You can get them on eBay, like a pack of 5 OPI. And there we go, a beautiful set of gel nails, DIY, do it yourself, at home, love it. I also want to say a big thank you to Madame Glam for sending me these nail gels. They are absolutely beautiful, and I love all the shimmers and the colours that she does. If any of you guys are interested in purchasing any of Madame Glam's nail gels, I will put the link in the description box for you with a discount code as well, so you can get some money off your orders. So I really do hope you found this video helpful and entertaining, or whatever you want to call it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I wish you all a great day. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies again in my next YouTube video. Bye guys!